one of the best workers in the world, man. You're awesome.
Right.
One over here.
You need to keep bugging Pillman to come in and join you so you guys can do that tag again.
You might be.
That's what I heard.
What's his name? Yes. Woo. Hi there.
Sure.
I need 6 hands.
He's a catfish. Don't I know he'd be a tasty fish.
Hey, Steve, sing to the camera.
I can't do it.
Aw, man.
Warner Brothers.
Need to do some karaoke some night.
I don't know about that. I'm going to break a temper. Thank you very much. I got a boy.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Oh, my picture tape. How you been doing?
Thanks, man.
Coming with us.
What?
With Jay?
Thanks, Tom. Thanks for your time.
Are you taking any pictures? Because we're on our way to Oh. Then we have to go, okay?
Alright.
We gotta go back in a couple minutes, right? I'll see you.
Okay, I'll see ya.
Candido. Hey, Chris. Got to catch the elevator or you got a second?
Hey. I'll let them go. We'll get to the door.
Thanks, Tammy.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
We got my haircut. Did everything. I like it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sit her down.
I'm everywhere.
Right up behind the bar, there's a line.
Thanks, man.
For the record, I want you to know I can lift this guy any day of the week.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Right. You can see it.
Thanks, man.
Glad to see you back. How are you doing? Okay?
Yeah, bud. Good, good.
Are you gonna do it?
Oh, you told me.
Thanks, man. Kurt. Thanks.
I don't care about the camera on this place. I don't like that camera.
Look,
If they delivered it, I'll
we can't have the elevators all congested like this, okay? Okay, that's it. Bye.
No, Sunny wasn't here. Did you see what he had? Did I want to see it? Well, like, Brett and Shawn. Oh, I saw Diane, the wife of the
Robot game.
Have you seen that? I'm always watching. Yeah. And it's my last Oh, that's really nice.
Hey.
That's not very nice.
There's only one way to beat this April is to go
inside.
You want to? No.
You want to get on the pipe?
Yeah.
I want you. I'm serious.
Want to show off the man's chair? Right, tippers. One guy on wrestling, that's it.
He obviously wants people to look up. Okay. Of course.
What we do is,
She's coming over here.
right there.
I said go right to my gate.
I say I don't think so. If you want to see us, well, come
Yeah.
On the front of it with this ballpoint.
Hey, mate.
It's just like working for Disney. That's what gets me.
¿Por qué no la pegas acá?
¿Traes una lapicera? ¿Traes una lapicera? Nomás quiero ver.
Here's what makes Orange County Weekend Sunday. Here's another rock pot weekend at 95.
We went bye-bye. He said, don't pick him up. He's the dentist. Where's Slammy Slavio? Came through this, so. It's still on fire. There's a push right there. Hey, reacting!
Stars, please leave the field.
Leave! Go!
Please give them a big round of applause.
You now think he's Shawn Michaels.
And now, ladies and
Let's see
gentlemen,
the celebrity Duke's trying to go. Oh, God.
Who's she hiding behind the camera, man?
Duke had the cameras chasing her. Oh. Where's Chris? He's got boom. Actually, she controls the relationship, so believe me. She'll go boom to Chris.
One, Jack!
She's trying to distract them.
On my hand.
Howard Finkel.
Howard!
Next we have the $1 Million Man. The New Rockers, Marty Jannetty.
Boom!
Look at Al! Look at Al! 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 Al!
It's Slammy
Next we have
next.
Isaac Jacob.
I'm not standing up for him. Look at the snow. He's like
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Duke the Duck. Please welcome. announcer, Mr. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bob Spark Clark. Not to be outdone, Barry Horowitz.
Oh, yeah! Barry!
PJ!
Gentlemen, give it up for Ahmed Johnson. I think it works out, Roger. I think it works out. Being known as Luke and Butch, the Bushwhacker. Let's not forget Doc Henry. Ladies and gentlemen, Jerry Lawler.
King! Burger 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 King!
I like it.
Please welcome Slammy. Sonny will be hosting our American Online. WWF is going online. The game is live this afternoon. And now we welcome our wonderful sponsors from Psycho. Welcome, Mr. Scott Raskis.
Michael, like, yes, cheer, cheer, cheer. Listen to Michael.
Our first pitch, Dan Gunderson. And ladies and gentlemen, the reason we are all here
cheer for the
to
kids.
combat this disease we call
Look at the little kids.
cystic fibrosis.
And they're putting the little kid in the middle of the photo.
He just pans Mr. Perfect.
Huh?
Doc Hendricks. He just pans Mr. Perfect.
Burger King! I don't! Michael's in a mood. Yeah.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Do it
we will
to
throw out the
Perfect.
first pitch.
Do it to Fabio. Damn sissy.
Look at the little boy. Burger King! Then Chris Candido comes out and starts beating up.
Hey, he's a single guy.
What are we doing out there? Fix. Candido, kick your ass. Got a waist pack on and trying to pull.
Cassidy grabbed for the second.
Oh, jeez, he's got to get a life. It's that.
Home run!
Big guy.
Isaac Jacob, ladies and gentlemen.
He's telling them, look how far they're moving back.
Get deep! Get deep!
Oh, yeah. These old stars are going to kill them. I have it.
Perfect! 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 Perfect!
Watch her strike out.
All right, batting fourth for the WWF.
Oh, shit.
I'll take number 2. Two strikes on Mr. Perfect.
Strike?
Yeah.
I don't want this thing on me. You know? Throw it back here. Who wants it?
The Superstars with a perfect 0 up there so far.
Long live the Freebird! All right, yeah!
Oh, you're a fool! Oh, it's the jump. That means you're mad.
Runner on third, 2 down.
Oh!
Folks in the first one.
No way!
Just off the corner. Disagreeing with the call.
Oh!
You can't hit.
Strike number 3.
Only. We want perfect.
We want perfect! We want perfect! We want perfect!
Yeah, good. Oh my God, don't get hit in the head.
But luckily,
Huh? Good thing. We want a new team. We want Kevin. Oh no, Kevin's still
the first.
Shawn Michaels, Shawn Michaels, Shawn Michaels.
Now batting for the WWF Superstars. Duke the Dunkster. Now's the first one off for a strike.
Oh please, these guys
Boy,
are.
how about the pitching for the Hollywood All-Stars today?
We want to know. We want the goal.
Diesel can't play. Diesel's a horrible player. Sean's good. Can you make it anymore?
We have paramedics.
It
It looks like he needs mouth-to-mouth
Look at that Diesel!
Base! Take the base!
Dunkster staring into the pitcher's eyes right now. Could be having a moment.
No, gold dust is in here.
Oh, yeah!
And ladies and gentlemen, the Superstars have a base runner!
What'd you get?
Right with the ball. Long
Whoa! Bart's pretty good.
Yeah. Well, Al's so comical anyway.
I like Al.
I don't care if he does get out, he'll do something good.
Woo!
Oh!
Hey, we gotta run.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, some
I have
action.
no idea. Wow! Ted! I'll strike out. Oh, shit. I don't want to hear that. Yeah, you're not that good.
And out number 2 recorded by Mr. Perfect.
New Big sucks! You suck! You suck! Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
That ain't Bob Sparkplug.
You're the one who had to play! Yeah. Oh, shit.
Looks like you wanted that one.
I thought Lori, did you see Lori?
Again, we can't thank our friends at Tyco for the unbelievable support they've given the
We can't.
65 Racers Foundation.
Platinum red hair, whatever. Red head, we know.
There's a pop fly, could need some trouble. Jonathan Silver and makes the catch.
New Big sucks!
Oh my God.
There's a deep fly ball to left field.
Burger King! Burger King!
We want perfect.
We want the Bulldog!
Two down, here's Jack Scalia.
No! Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
At least he keeps...
Ginsburg stops at second. First and second with 2 down.
Change the picture!
Jonathan
That's hard. Doesn't matter. Oh my God. I don't know. It's towards Bob. He can actually.
This should do it.
Ah!
Bob should just. We want perfect.
He's all smiles.
I know. He's like, cool. New bag.
Okay, fans, it's time to give away another prize. So turn to the right-hand scoring page in the center of your secret program.
He's cool.
And look for the number
Steve.
2. If you do have 52, you won a World of Wrestling Federation gift card. Great prizes.
Oh, okay, now. No. Thank you.
Let's go, Doc! Let's go, Doc! Let's go, Doc! Let's go, Doc! Let's go, Doc!
I'm gonna have no voice. You have no voice at WrestleMania. Sean's gonna win the belt. I'm gonna be like, oh, we got it. I'm gonna have no voice. That's fine.
To get the WWF cards on the board, and that's not going to do it. Doc Hendricks grounds out the first base for the first time.
We want perfect!
Look at them come!
Oh! Oh!
You're coming even further.
La buena.
Savio Vega swing and a miss. Starting for the superstars. Second base. WWF Superstars. 1.
See a guy on second, first base open. You might want to walk him, Jerry.
This is Jerry. He's gonna kill himself.
Walking, set up the double play.
Shut. Oh God! Should have walked him.
David Duggan. Hey, that'll bring the $1 million man out of the... And trust me, folks, they're not talking about...
Oh, Renee Goulet. Even the other superstars.
World Wrestling Federation having a conference on the mountain. See what's going on? They're talking things over.
Change the picture. The
World Wrestling Federation, they may be conceding the game here.
Look, it's Barney.
Ted DiBiase, but he's got his wallet out.
That is funny. That is hysterical.
We're trying to get to the bottom of this, folks.
Jack!
Come on, keep it going. Todd, here we
There's
go.
not enough
Go
people.
for it.
Not enough people over there.
Let's give them one more chance. We'll start over here. We'll go all the way across and then all the way around. Ready? Here we go. Make some noise! Keep it going! There we go! Back to the game.
Kevin, you're too good. You don't belong on the field. You should go to the pros. You're too good. Go right now, though.
Really?
How about the Undertaker and Diesel? Unbelievable. Jack Scalina has thrown a spitball. He's been awarded first base. He should do it. Oh!
About 3 outs in it.
They do.
Yeah, generally he is. I mean.
No, man,
Y'all get that specially done?
Yeah, a friend of mine did it for me.
Good job. Nice.
Yeah, she didn't have to eat
Listen, you shouldn't bring your relatives to this. And if Phineas over there, or whatever his phallic little name is, decides he wants to stick his nose in my business, I can put him back home too.
Now you are nobody to talk about noses, mister.
The one man in the Federation that you can laugh at nose about would be me, I guess. So that was a good one. I'll give it to you. Shut up. Another question over here.
Inspired you to be a wrestler? That's my first question. And my second question is, will you marry me?
Want to get up on one knee?
Second question, I will. And on the first question, it's mine. I think my mom inspired me the most. She passed away a week before I signed with WWF, which really wanted a little more to see it because it was her dream too. But I think that she's up and down watching over me, that's why I am a new sensation. Very good.
Speaking of new
personalized. Oh, you can have to say hi. Hello. Hi, sir.
What?
Don't want to sell that jacket there, do you?
What jacket?
It's Bret Hart's.
Did he forget it at the hotel?
Nice.
Is that Brett's or is that Owen's?
Oh, it's Bret.
I know Owen's got one just like that.
Your hair's gray. Your hair's gray.
Any jerk on Actually, by walking right by it.
There you go, baby. She'll hang the backside of the picture.
They'll all lie to save your feelings. They'll all lie to save your feelings, Ahmed.
Kathy.
Thank you. Kathy?
We do each other, mate. No worries. No worries, mate. You have a nice day.
I am from a different society.
Yes, sir. Certificate of authenticity.
I am.
What? It's just that self-activated tannin lotion really works for
It
me.
was.
That's it.
How you doing, mate?
Hey, okay.
What's your name?
Grant.
Grant.
Hey, can you sign my t-shirt though?
Yeah. I'll give you one of these too, Grant.
Oh, that's a good deal.
Kathy, I've already signed yours for you. It's going to be going down the pike here. Okay? We got this thing like assembly line here. It's good.
Oh.
This is all good.
Hey, how you doing, mate?
Okay.
Strong.
Hey, mate.
Thanks, man.
There we go. No worries.
Who for, my friend?
Grant.
G-R-A-N-T?
Yeah.
How you doing, Grant?
Pretty good.
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to send it right on down the line here.
All right.
Come on there, Henry.
Can you sign my t-shirt?
Sure, be proud to. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Is that, mate? Okay, no worries. No worries. Hey, mate, what's your name? G'day, Luke. How you doing?
Thanks.
Cousin Luke. You okay?
Hi, who's that the shirt? Sure, I'll be proud
You must
to,
have
my
been
friend.
named after Cousin Luke, will you?
So when do you lot go off to the event?
Where are we going after?
You sign my shirt too?
Sure.
Thanks.
There you go, my brother.
Oh, as soon as we finish this line.
As soon as I hear one more now, okay.
Bank practice, I was going to win.
No.
How you doing, my friend? What's your name?
John.
J-O-H-N?
Yep.
There you go, bud.
Thanks.
Here we go, Luke.
There's one going down for John.
Yeah. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Oh, I can't. No, I don't.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're with the family.
Sorry, I got this down right here.
Do you know when he's coming back? Do you know he's
Yeah, I know. No, he's not.
Just give me like 10 minutes, get right back.
Time to go, Davey.
Are you going to sign on to that?
Yeah, I'll run.
You know, I think that would have been
Run for Shawn.
Oh,
No, I would never trample a baby.
oh, that's that. Is that that mask? Is that a mask? Oh, that's that girl's
So watch.
Hey, Jim Rod.
How are you doing?
Get your autograph, please.
Jim Schultz, great.
Is Shawn Michaels still in there? Is he going to pick me up for dinner?
I'm sure if about this one.
Diesel did to that some fella in a wheelchair wouldn't give him an autograph and told him off.
No.
Yep.
But they changed so much. Yeah, but your bed's
We're creatures of the night.
You're creatures of the night. You can sign it anywhere you like.
Give me a piece.
Sign $1 million up.
Oh, no, thank you.
Oh, I have.
It ain't enough. You just thought you're drinking too Oh, here, Mom. No, don't hold it. Oh, I finally get.
Does anybody know how to get it?
Just cross the street.
First time.
Normal circumstances, guys, I'd love to. I'm with my family.
I travel from Fresno, man. Vince, when am I ever gonna have a chance to see you?
I'll see you upstairs.
Guys, what did I say?
I'm sorry, sir. I traveled all the way from Fresno, man, to meet this man. I'm very sorry.
Well, if you say no, that means no, okay?
I'm sorry. Vince, I appreciate it, man.
My pleasure. Fresno's a long way.
I'm from Chicago, Vince.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, I'm headed for India tomorrow, man.
There we go from Chicago. Where?
Thank you, Vince.
Riverside. Whoa! All right.
You're done.
All right.
As soon as you're done, give me the pen.
It is my pleasure. You guys are staying up late tonight, huh? Yeah. Pinehurst, North Carolina.
Oh, I was not aware of that.
Must be a very nice place.
Wow, you have been busy. Huh? Look at this.
Where are you going to sign?
Well, Mama.
We'll try this over here.
Thanks.
Can't read any of his.
A child's dream.
Hey, Vince, when are you going to challenge Jerry?
Jerry.
Lawler.
Oh,
I've been thinking about that one.
You
She has on shoes. You show me death. I want more death.
He's wearing a white top and shorts.
Christopher Maceo.
She's an amazing.
Hello. Christopher.
There's the kid right now.